Yo, Peter, maybe we that over this, so? Hold on, dog, I'm tell you what, you want music, you want some new dancehall song, you see me? Yo, me a some dancehall tune like Movado and Cartel. Yes, dog, we need some of them things there. You see me? And some of them things that we need to make things happen, you see me? I hear some of the dog from man, me on the phone, you know? Really, dog, I just how they have all the vibes, you know, dog, you see me? Just a go and kick a flex me on the party, you see me? You don't know things set in a prison, you know, we have to make sure say everything alright, you know, you see me? Cause you know I cause no problem. So you see I go on, what you look for it for? I'm a new boss in here, you know, so I want to listen to everything me I say. I don't want no man smoke no weed in here, you know, cause me used to not smoke weed in here, you know.
No man not smoke no weed. Can't say something. No boss, no we not smoke no weed in here. No gangs allowed in here. Holy shit. What you tell me say? You can't join no crew. Yo man, look for your gang and join him.
Yo, we are looking at new recruit. Well, that sound interesting, me ready, you know. What me have to do? Pinky swear? No man, I mean the rest of the gang. But if you want to join the gang, you have to beat up the boy there over there. So. See boy there?
Oh shit, I the new boss that you know that though.
So how you afraid of him? Well, if you're afraid of him, you can't be a part of the gang.
Dog, where I watch you.
Yo, what on go name shit? Name shit. I'm not afraid of none of you. I wish one want step to me, boy. Which one want step to me? Step to me now.
Check out my knife, you know, cause some boy feel say them bad in here, you know. Not afraid of no boy, you know. Hey boy, I wish one want step to me, come here sound a bad man. Step to me now. Anyone in the first step to me get me knife. Ay.
Hey boy, my baddest man in here. Hey boy, I think I don't have knife, boy. Feel say me afraid of nobody in here.
Hey boy, do you see me in my wheelchair, man? I'm bad man in here too. Me surrender.
Hey look at that boy, shut your mouth. If you say bad, me take on the whole of you in here. Think me afraid of no now. Yo, hold on, cool. I want to yo, I'm not afraid of no motherfucker. Me a baddest man in here. Boy, take my knife, boy. Which one want my knife again? Yo, I'm a baddest man here. Yo, my name is Peter. I'm not afraid of none of you in here. I'm here on prison now. So now listen to everything what me have to say, boy. It's me beat out and yo, me subscribe.
Yo, respect.